What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And I feel like this is like my third day at the shop this week, but yesterday, if you saw my video, we went ahead and finished up the 340, the Pure 800 turbo installation. And that's, like I said before, one of my viewers, 340, he was doing a Pure 800 turbo swap, and he wanted me to pretty much document it. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be recording this video right now. But anyway, we're here at the shop again, and we're gonna be doing some dyno pulls with the 340i. The car is actually getting remote tuned by David Shoop, and it's gonna be interesting seeing what this car puts down. So the goals for this viewer are actually around 500 to 550 on pump gas and around 600 on E85. So we're gonna see how that plays out. I'm really interested to see the Pure 800 and how it does. I've read plenty online, and of course, friends that have the Pure 800. I've raced somebody with a Pure 800, so I know it can really put down some serious numbers. But this is the first time I actually see this on the dyno and actually see it getting tuned. So we're gonna have some fun today. I might not have a lot of dialogue in this video, mostly just dyno pulls and stuff and kind of showing you the results as we go. So I believe right now we're laying down a base tune, and I don't know how much deeper into tuning we're gonna get. But in the end, I'm gonna be getting results anyway, so you guys can be informed on just how the tuning went. But let's go ahead and head into the shop and let's see what's going on. So right now we have a 335 going on the dyno. I believe he's getting a stage 1 tune from MHD. And we'll see what this car does, and then we're gonna put the 340 on the dyno afterwards. Alright, so stock numbers. 260 and 288 torque. Torque's looking good though.
N55.
$327, $371. That's almost 100 horsepower gain right there.
That's good?
Yeah.
327 horsepower, 371 torque.
That's pretty good. That's almost 100 torque.
50 horsepower in 30 minutes.
Yeah. That's almost 70 horsepower.
Look at the horsepower increase down below. The torque increase at, what is that, like 3,000 RPMs there?
Yeah.
That's a massive increase.
2,500, you're almost at full torque. Hell yeah, dude. Amazing. $324. It went down a little bit. Probably heat soak.
N55 is doing, man. They let it cool down from that way.
Yeah. Man, that's a nice 335. Did a stage 1 tune on it, and it gained about 70 horsepower and almost 100 pound-feet of torque. So if we look at it, the best one on a base map was 260, and it went to 327. So that's what, 40, 50, 60, 67 horsepower, and then torque went from 288 to 371. Man, that's a lot. That's 80-ish. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so that last run, the 320 and 356, so the power and torque are actually going down, but we're pretty much attributing that to the car heat soaking, pretty much N55 problems. But I think the 340 is up next, and let's see what it's got.
You have to go back and say, God damn, I know Matt said that somewhere. Yeah. Like when he put his turbo on, he's got 50 hours of recording to do, and he's like, no, I gotta edit that shit out. Hour 17.
427. $427. That's base, right?
Yeah, dude, that's only like, I think. Actually, we don't have the boost cage hooked up. Or we don't have the boost cap hooked up.
No, he has it on MHD though. You're smoking black out the back though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it went pretty rich once you got into it, man. I don't know what it dropped down to, but
22. But it was running a little rich, wasn't it?
Not there. There was nice. It's probably a little lean. Not lean like bad, but
Yeah.
leaner than it could be.
There's some pump gas though, right?
Yeah.
dude, that thing was a solid 12.0 all the way to redline.
It's pretty good.
Good.
Yeah. I think it's funny how BMW tunes these to be like lean if you're just driving normally.
Yeah, for fuel mileage, it makes more power too.
All right, guys. So I actually left EuroMpire. We only did that one pull today, and then we had trouble sending the log out. So we're gonna start early tomorrow. I'll be back here, and yeah, we're gonna. I think the plan is to get it completely tuned tomorrow. But that's it for today, and we'll continue this tomorrow. All right, guys. It's the next day, and I think I hear the 340 on the dyno right now. So I just got here to EuroMpire. I've been running around everywhere, and we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go see how the tune is coming along, and hopefully we get to see some good numbers. All right, let's go in there. All right, guys, so they've been tuning pretty much all morning, taking it easy. And when I got here, they were doing a poll, and it looks like, well, we can see the graph there, but it's not really showing anything. So let's go to the computer. So it looks like on the best run it made 465, and then max torque 466. Considering the temperatures are about 81, it's pretty humid in North Carolina as always. So, you know, I don't really think, I mean, I don't know what number revision they are or whatever, but I think that's pretty conservative still. I did learn that the engine was pulling timing, so I'm not really sure what's going on. And we have 93 octane in the tank, so it could be possible that we may just need to get better gas or something. But from what I've heard before, a 93 tune should be good for about a little bit over 500, maybe 530, 550. So I guess we'll just have to do a little bit more research and see what's going on. Alright, looks like we got a new revision, so we're gonna get on the dyno now and see what the difference is. That's crazy. And it's also hotter, right?
Yeah, it's kind of going up, man. It's getting hotter in here.
Yeah. It's pretty good though.
Shitty day for a dyno.
Huh? Yeah.
But it's making good power for how hot it is.
Yeah.
478 and 478.
So now we're going on another revision. And hopefully we can squeeze some more power out of this car. So here we go. $496.
No, it's when it shifted to it came back.
Oh yeah, okay.
No, once we,
So you gotta fix it.
once I clean that up a little bit.
487. The torque went up, but power kind of.
I think you need some octane, man.
People aren't really struggling making 500 on these. I call it tuner. Alright, here we go with another revision. Let's see what this one does. That time it looks like it did 463. which is just getting hotter and hotter in here, so not really ideal conditions. Here we go again. Looks like another run.
I don't know, it's getting hot, man. It's really humid too. It's only putting like 21 psi in it.
What is he targeting at, do you know?
I didn't check the log.
Well, it looks like at 21 psi, he's pulling about 464 to the wheel. But having issues with tuning right now, so don't know what's going on. I'm sure he's going to keep tuning the car and see what else he can squeeze out of it. Fortunately, I'm out of time, so I'll have to get some updates from him. And yeah, we'll see what happens.